3:30 in the morning. We're heading on a road trip. We gotta go pick up Jim first. Oh man, it sucks because we made it out here and we're like, oh yeah, 22 miles from Lansing. We're about to call this. I say we turn around because this is not gonna get any better. So it's about 4:50 a.m. The snow is coming down. Check the radars and it looks horrible where we're going, where we're planning on going. We just got to around the area where we're gonna be picking up Jim, but I think we decided to call it. Calling it right here. We're gonna turn around. It's just looking too dangerous to keep driving. We have yet another like 2.5 hours of driving, and it's all in snow like this with no guaranteed road cleaning or anything like that. And the snow's not gonna let up in the location that we're going to until like 2 p.m. and it's only 5 in the morning. So we have to kinda be smart about it, be wise about it. I don't wanna put any of us in jeopardy traveling wise, just to get some cool epic stuff done. So instead, thinking on our feet, we're just gonna turn around and go back home, probably go to bed, go back to sleep, hang out, grab breakfast. I don't know, we might shoot something later this afternoon, but I'm sorry if I let you guys down. It's kind of a bummer, but yeah, at the end of the day, just gotta be safe, gotta be smart, and you never know until you try, and we tried. So you gotta take risks. Sometimes it doesn't work out, but see you guys this afternoon, maybe. We'll see. You want glove? Oh, you got glove.
Yeah, I'm not using the one that I have though.